Let's take the example of Shefali Jariwala, who recently passed away due to a cardiac failure. ऐसा न्यूज़ में है कि उनके घर से ग्लूटाथायोन के इंजेक्शंस मिले, विटामिन सी के इंजेक्शंस मिले, and there was a lot of discussion going on that she was self-medicating.
When you talk about abuse, now whether you're infusing glutathione or whether you're infusing heroin, abuse is abuse.
Meet Dr. Agni Bose, a dermatologist, a dermatosurgeon, and a venereologist. Today we'll talk to him about the growing pressure on the youth to look aesthetic and the increasing use of steroids in the gym.
A good doctor is one who knows when to stop, or a good doctor is one who knows when not to intervene.
तो इसका क्या साइड इफेक्ट्स होते हैं जो जिम में स्टेरॉइड जैसे ले लेते हैं लोग?
A lot of impotence, testicular atrophy, the balls literally shrink, infertility, baldness, bad acne, right? They'll end up with liver damage, good cholesterol reducing, bad cholesterol rising. They'll end up with the blood becoming very thick,
So heart trouble.
clotting. Of course, muscles तो बढ़ गए, but at what all cost?
I follow a lot of these fitness creators, women who
Yeah.
have amazing abs
So
and
in
good
women,
biceps. हाँ.
what are the side effects?
Olympians तो नहीं है हम लोग सब.
Fair enough.
In
Everybody
normal
doesn't
life,
have to be an Olympian. Okay,
in a
what-
corporate job kind of a
Yes,
scenario
yes.
where you want to look good also, and you don't want to. I mean, ideally, should not be using these kind of supplements and everything. तो क्या करना चाहिए?
Weight loss or getting physically fit, it's simple mathematics.
मैं आके बिछा के वेट कर रही हूँ. He's not. Now he's here. He's not. Have a seat.
We're shooting in your house.
Yes, because there was a problem with our studio today. They shame you by putting your car photo on the.
You'll be shamed, not
I will not say it's my car. It's like out of context,
आपके
but
घर में मोर्टिन नहीं है?
क्या?
ऐसे ऐसे.
Okay, I want to ask you. Chalo, before my daughter comes home, how was your day?
Good.
Did you do any Botox, any injections today?
Did I do Botox? No, I did exosomes today.
What is exosomes?
Exosomes are like growth factors, stem cell derived. I'm doing skin boosters tomorrow. Am I
Okay.
doing a Botox tomorrow? No, Botox I'm not doing tomorrow. I did a surgery on Monday. तो उसका stitches निकालना था.
What
So
surgery?
there's a big sebaceous cyst near the root of the nose. It's very, very close to the eye.
Oh,
It's a very tricky area. Yeah. So
Okay.
that was a good fun case. So today the patient came.
not for the patient.
What else? Then Morpheus was there, MNRF was there. So ever since skin boosters have come, no, fillers हम लोग थोड़ा कम कर रहे हैं.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like the need for fillers has gone down significantly ever since boosters have come.
What
like
are
they've
skin
just,
boosters?
I like how we see getting content out of this novel conversation. हम लोग start भी नहीं किए, but I like it. I like it.
हम start कर चुके हैं, आपको पता ही नहीं चला.
मुझे पता चल गया था. So skin boosters are like they're just hyaluronic acid. We just replenish whatever is lost with age. So for say a postmenopausal woman, taking calcium and vitamin D is in a way anti-aging because if left to her constitution, her skeleton will get osteoporosis.
Oh,
After menopause,
हाँ.
right, the skeleton will crumble.
Okay.
Any trivial trauma, जरा सा bathroom में भी गिर गए, and then you land up with very severe fractures, right? And to prevent that, we just replace whatever we're losing. So for them, taking calcium, vitamin D is in a way anti-aging, right? जो चीज़ें कम हो रही है उसको ही replenish करना है. So that's what a skin booster is. Like, so with age, the skin loses collagen, elastin, fibrillin, hyaluronic acid, whatever you're losing, you're just replenishing it.
But tell me, what are the kind of people who come today for these kind of treatments?
Everybody.
Like, what is the age group?
So there is a booster for almost every age group. So if I look at the younger age group, say people in their 20s and 30s, right, then primarily I'll be doing it for somebody who has a lot of dullness, whose skin is very dry, right?
तो मतलब ये boosters अलग-अलग तरह के होते होंगे.
There are various types of
For
boosters.
different,
yeah, there are
the
various
result
types
that
of
you want.
boosters. There are various types of boosters. Like there are fillers, so there are various types of fillers. na?
Right. Okay.
So there are various types of boosters. When we look at say 40 plus, 50 plus, वहाँ पे I would do those kind of boosters. I'm not taking any brand names. I would do those. I would do those type of boosters जहाँ पे मुझे थोड़ा collagen lifting भी मिल जाए.
Okay.
राइट, जहाँ पे मेरा जो सैगिंग है वो भी करेक्ट हो जाए, राइट. सो वी केटर इट डिफरेंटली.
So what I want to ask you is कि ये जो 20 समथिंग्स की जो आप बात कर रहे हैं, जो आके ट्रीटमेंट करा रही हैं,
करा
are they
रहे हैं
also
both.
करा रहे हैं?
Both,
Yeah, that
yeah.
was my next question कि how many girls and how many boys, females and males percentage?
More females than men, for
But ये जो
sure.
ट्रीटमेंट you are talking about skin boosters, but I'm asking कि एंटी एजिंग भी कराते हैं आके?
Yeah, but men lesser. Why? Because we also age much better.
Okay, there was a hint of show off over there.
No, men age much better than women. It's
Better. I don't know about better. I mean, if you're talking about skin, then yeah, maybe, but not in terms of intelligence. We women age much, much better there.
fair. No,
Yes.
no denying that.
ये जो early 20s में girls, why do they need an anti-aging treatment? My question is that आजकल ऐसे तो बहुत treatments हैं, okay? Some of them look fake, some of them look real, some of them are just like you're saying, जो है आपके अंदर वही चीज़ वो थोड़ा enhance कर रहा है, and like you're saying, vitamin D or vitamin or calcium is anti-aging in itself, but it's not looked like
Exactly.
that.
Like it's anti-aging for the skeleton because
हाँ.
अगर हमने वो उसको कुछ नहीं दिया, वो osteoporosis होगा.
होगा.
After menopause,
बट माई पॉइंट इज कि आफ्टर मेनोपॉज होगा ना, तो आप उस चीज
Fair,
को
fair, good question. Fair enough,
राइट.
right?
लेकिन आज यंग लड़कियां अपने आप से खुश नहीं हैं. दे फील दैट आई ऑलरेडी नीड एंटी एजिंग
That's
ट्रीटमेंट.
okay. I understand.
Why is that happening
I
today?
understand your question, right? I understand what you're trying to ask. There are a lot of reasons for why somebody is doing something. One is वो पेशेंट हटा दो जिसको एक्चुअली ज़रूरत है. ज़रूरत है तो है,
जरूरत है तो है. राइट.
ठीक है.
राइट.
सो हम उनकी बात नहीं कर रहे. आई थिंक वॉट यू ट्राइंग टू आस्क मी इज जिन लोग को ज़रूरत नहीं है,
हाँ.
वाई आर दे स्टिल आस्किंग अबाउट एंटी एजिंग और वाई आर दे आस्किंग अबाउट स्पेसिफिक injectables or something like that at an age where aging has not kicked in.
Correct.
Right? And I think that has got a lot to do with what they're seeing every day, right? अगर आप हर चीज़ को अगर आप हर एक फ़ोटो फिल्टर के थ्रू देखोगे, आप अगर हर एक फ़ोटो फोटोशॉप के थ्रू देखोगे, right? People don't realize what normal human faces look like. People have a very warped perception of what old age is supposed to look like or what,
Yeah.
right? तो अगर आपने सब कुछ इतना altered ही देखा है, and never before has humanity ever been clicked so much.
Absolutely,
राइट,
yeah.
जहाँ पे आपका इतना डायनामिक फॉलोअप हो रहा है कि मैं एक साल पहले ऐसा दिखता था, एक दिन पहले ऐसा, लाइक इतना तो कोई नो जनरेशन हैज़ एवर हैड सच रिकॉर्ड्स, राइट? सो माइन्यूटेस्ट टू माइन्यूट चेंज लोग पकड़ रहे हैं, देख रहे हैं. सो आई थिंक इज जस्ट वॉट यू सी अराउंड यू. सोशल मीडिया a very unrealistic standard sometimes, which is naturally not possible. So for example, there is this obsession with Korean skin,
Yeah.
right?
It's being used in marketing so many products also nowadays.
Like this is the doc, I want like glass skin, I want
Yeah.
Korean skin, and I usually tell them that are your parents Indian? Yes. Are your grandparents Indian? Yes. Have you ever grown up in Korea, eaten वहाँ का खाना पीना? No. वहाँ का environment? No. Then how will you have Korean skin? Right? Like it's just not possible. Right? अभी genetically उनका वैसा है तो है, right? A lot of Koreans don't get a proper beard. Like
correct.
this is a very like a lot of East Asians, Southeast Asians, उनका beard पूरा नहीं आता.
नहीं आता है.
Right? It'll be a very patchy beard. ये
Yeah.
तो सिर्फ side से आएगा, बीच से भी नहीं आएगा. Right? Their men are not as they don't have
उनको बियर्ड चाहिए होती होगी.
उनको beard like और अगर आप उनका भी देखोगे, they will never get curly hair. They usually have straighter
absolutely
hair,
straight hair.
very straight hair, right? So each race comes with different characteristics, right? We are blessed. We have straight hair, we have wavy hair, we have curly hair, we have all types of skin, and our skin type is actually one of the best in the world because we are in a way semi-immune, and I'm using the word semi-immune to skin cancer.
Okay.
Okay, because we have such good melanin that
Yeah.
that's our natural sunscreen. That's
Yeah.
our natural sun protection, right? वो बाकी इतने कॉकेशियन स्किन में नहीं है, बट वो
नहीं,
हमें
correct.
कॉकेशियन जैसा स्किन, अरे कहाँ से, राइट? सो इट्स दीज आर
और
वेरी
ये तो चलो कंपैरिजन हो गया दूसरे लोगों के साथ. आजकल मैंने देखा है बच्चों को, टीनेजर्स, 13-14-year-old गर्ल्स आर क्लिकिंग देमसेल्व्स ऑन फिल्टर्स.
या
तो फिर जब वो फिल्टर वाली फोटो देखती हैं और अपने आप को मिरर में देखती हैं तो उनको लगता है
there's
कि
a
मैं
gross
तो
mismatch, there's a very
Yeah.
gross mismatch, right? So अगर आप सब कुछ फिल्टर के नज़रिए से देखोगे, normal human skin has blemishes, end of story, right? The skin is the largest organ, okay? पूरा skin uniform नहीं होता, okay? asymmetry is the norm.
Absolutely.
Left and right are not equal. Okay, so blemishes are normal. Texture ऊपर नीचे थोड़ा normal है, एकदम uniform it's not attainable. It's physiologically, biologically not possible. हाँ, मैं मेकअप के थ्रू कर सकता हूँ.
Correct.
बिकॉज मेकअप के थ्रू अगर मेरा एक स्किन का लेवल थोड़ा इधर है, थोड़ा सा नीचे है, थोड़ा वंस आई पुट अ बेस एंड वंस आई पुट एवरीथिंग, वो सब इवन कर देंगे. तो येस, इट लुक्स, यू कैन गिव द परसेप्शन और गिव द अपीयरेंस ऑफ uniformity, but that's not what normal human skin looks like.
Absolutely. But I'm glad that as a medical practitioner, you're saying that. And I think there's a lot of misinformation doing the rounds today because लोगों को ज़्यादा पता नहीं होता है कि क्या ट्रीटमेंट किस चीज़ के लिए है और वो उसे ओवरडू भी कर लेते हैं. And I think a lot of doctors just look at it as bread and butter and
Okay, when I say bread and butter, so what I mean, say laser hair reduction is also my bread and butter.
Yeah.
Right? Laser hair reduction also has certain dermatological indications.
Yeah.
Like there are certain conditions, say like hidradenitis suppurativa,
Okay.
right? Follicular occlusion, where patients are getting recurrent folliculitis, जिनको आप क्या बोलते हो, बाल तोड़.
अच्छा, okay.
You know, boils
okay.
बार बार आ रहे हैं, right? So it's like in that case, laser hair reduction is curative.
Oh.
If the follicle is not there, folliculitis कैसे होगा? Because
अच्छा.
so हर एक everything, I don't want to talk ill about
No, I
what
understand
you
that.
get what I mean.
Yeah,
Like what
yeah.
I like. Everything has a reason. I mean, everything has some certain indications. Yes, sometimes that, especially with a lot of skincare treatments, there is that vanity thing which comes where people are pursuing unnecessary things which may not suit.
Unattainable goals.
Unattainable goals
Yeah.
or unnecessary things which may not suit them. So that is where our job as the dermatologist comes, where we have to draw the line. Like if the patient needs it, definitely we'll do it, right? If the patient doesn't need it, we'll try and understand the patient's psyche के boss क्या हो गया, what do you want, how can I help you, right? And if it is unattainable, you tell them that no, मैं कुछ भी कर लूँगा, ये मैं नहीं कर सकता. See, at the end of the day, I also have to give the patient what they want.
Yeah.
As long as it is safe,
Correct.
as long as it is medically safe, as long as there is no side effect, the treatment cannot be more problematic than what they actually want,
Absolutely.
right? We will do it. It's as simple as that. I'm not their school teacher or their principal where I'm
Yeah.
going to do a moral policing or do no. अभी मेरे
Even parents cannot do that today.
nothing. No, it's like I want to keep a beard. I'm going to keep a beard,
Yeah.
right? But there are so many people who come to me for men also कि मुझे beard का laser hair removal करके दो. That is their choice. I can't refute them. I can't
बट
refuse
ये
them.
सब जो ट्रीटमेंट्स होते हैं, लेट्स से लेजर हेयर रिमूवल हो गया या बोटॉक्स हो गया या फिलर्स हो गए या स्किन बूस्टर्स हो गए, एनीथिंग दैट यू आर इंजेक्टिंग इनटू द बॉडी एंड लेजर जो मतलब इट इज पेनिट्रेटिंग डीप इनटू द लेवल्स ऑफ योर स्किन, राइट? इट्स अ लेजर, करेक्ट? तो इसका कुछ साइड इफेक्ट्स भी होते होंगे.
Of course, if something has an effect, it also has a side effect.
So as a medical practitioner, do you tell them कि इसके side effects? You're supposed to tell them, right?
Of course, that's the first thing you do, right?
Yeah.
A simple paracetamol has side effects. If you start reading about the side effects of a paracetamol, you'll read there's fulminant hepatitis, liver failure.
Don't tell me all that, please.
नहीं, what I'm trying to tell you, आप लेना बंद कर दोगे ना.
हाँ, correct है.
हर एक चीज़ का अगर if you know pantoprazole, it's an antacid, right? Take it for a couple of months, you'll end up with interstitial nephritis, you'll end up with kidney disease, right? हर एक चीज़ का अगर effect है तो side effect भी है, right? I'm not a salesman.
नहीं,
Right.
absolutely.
So when they come to me, and that's the difference when they come to us as a dermatologist. When they come to us in a clinic, I'm your doctor first, right?
Right.
So I will discuss the pros and cons of whatever it is, right? We'll discuss कि भाई ये है, ये हो सकता है, ये नहीं हो सकता. These are what can go wrong. If you'd still like to proceed, sure, we'll go ahead with it. But it's our duty to tell them that, right? And that is where that's where ethics come into play.
Absolutely.
Right? अगर किसी को let's say just putting random numbers out there, अगर किसी को let's say सिर्फ 2 milliliters of fillers का requirement है, right? The more you do, the more lucrative it is. In a way, if I was to
Yeah.
put it like that. But are you doing justice to the patient?
No, absolutely.
No, right? Now, for example, if I was not a doctor and I went to somebody and ऐसे कि मुझे ना lips में कुछ करके दो, then the doctor, he or she would look at my face and say कि as per the symmetry, as per proportion wise, आपका lips बराबर बैठ रहा है. They would discourage me from doing, and that's what even I do. Like, if I feel that this is little unrealistic, right, or if I feel that no, this is going to screw up the case, or no, this is not going to look good, you put your foot down. Like, you get what I mean?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
if
yeah.
medically, aesthetically, it is not going to give you a good outcome, you discourage them from that. So it's not just कि उसको life को खतरा है या उसको कुछ something bad will happen. If it's not going to look good, you also tell them that. So we at a clinic, we make it a point to discuss and
And I think in any case somebody is coming for aesthetics, अगर वही purpose
वही-
solve नहीं हो रहा है तो फिर तो अगर ऑलरेडी किसी को अपने आप को लेकर इतना कॉम्प्लेक्स है तो वो तो और बढ़ जाएगा. I mean that's also I think in the long run affects the mental health of the person.
yeah, like so for example, balding.
Yeah.
Okay, balding is not, it'll never kill anybody.
Correct.
Okay, but when
But it will kill your confidence.
exactly my point, right? So when we are treating male pattern hair loss or female pattern hair loss, I'm not just treating the hair, I'm also treating the confidence.
Absolutely.
I'm treating the psychology, right? So it's very important to understand that. Ki I don't want to I don't want to look down. I don't want to anybody to ever feel that just because they're doing something cosmetic, उसका कोई वैल्यू नहीं है या उसका इट्स वेरी सुपरफिशियल कि अरे इसमें क्या है. बट फॉर दैट पर्सन हु इज बॉल्ड,
No, it makes
you
a
get
lot
what I
of-
mean?
makes a lot
So
of
if you have, अगर आप उसको वो दर्जा दे सकते हो, अगर anything that we do with the hair technically is not life threatening,
Yeah, correct.
right?
Correct.
But you know how distressing it is if you start losing 100 hair strands every day.
Yeah, true,
right?
true.
क्या फटेगी,
Correct.
right? But वो ट्रीटमेंट को अगर आप सुपरफिशियल नहीं करते या उसको अगर आप लेम नहीं समझते या उसको अगर आप इर्रेशनल अननेसेसरी नहीं समझते, सिमिलरली स्किन का भी वो उसी को वही दर्जा दो. आई एम नॉट ट्रीटिंग just the condition, I'm also treating the patient's psychology.
Psychology. You're absolutely right. And I think anything which is supposed to be done in moderation, as long as it is done in
Exactly.
moderation and under the proper guidance, it is
Exactly.
fine. But let's take the example of Shefali Jariwala, who recently passed away due to a cardiac failure. ऐसा न्यूज़ में है कि उनके घर से ग्लूटाथायोन के इंजेक्शंस मिले, विटामिन सी के इंजेक्शंस मिले, एंड देयर वाज लॉट ऑफ डिस्कशन गोइंग ऑन दैट शी वाज सेल्फ मेडिकेटिंग. आई डोंट नो हाउ ट्रू इट इज, बट it's just something that triggers the notion that there are a lot of people who feel, I mean, sort of the lines get blurred at some point कि moderation क्या है और too much क्या है, excess क्या है, right? तो अगर मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये मुर्गी जो है वो सोने का अंडा दे रही है, मैं आज ही 10 अंडे निकाल लूँ तो मैं ज़्यादा अमीर हो जाऊँगा, the same logic. So what do you have to say to people like that who kind of, for them, the lines have blurred, they don't understand when to stop?
So that's, if you talk about from a doctor perspective, that's terrible ethics. Okay, so for example, and we see it so much in a lot of private hospitals, like the kind of corruption that there is, patient को pain in abdomen है, ठीक है, आपने उसको बोला कि नहीं हम MRI करेंगे, आपने पेशेंट को प्रॉपर हाथ भी नहीं लगाया, for all you know it would have just been constipation, right? Okay, fair enough, you did an examination, ultrasound पे नहीं दिखा, CT, I'm just saying there is so many ways by which you can
exploit if you want.
Exploit, right? And people do it. There are so many hospitals and we've seen so many cases where doctors are doing it. Unethical, right? That's where your ethics come into the picture, because in our field, it's not, we try and make it as equal as possible, like we try and have the same equal relationship with the patient, but oftentimes like doctors, lawyers, वो equal नहीं हो पाता because it's a one-way street. Because I have something that the patient needs a service from, like I have that thing. So but we still try level best that we discuss with the patient कि boss ये होगा, and we try and make the patient feel as part of the decision making process as possible, but it's still a one-way. You get what I mean?
Yeah, because
so,
you know the exact facts and
right.
knowledge.
So for example, which is why so many of these unethical people, a lot of them are not even doctors, there's so much quackery happening, right? कि पेट में दर्द है, सीधा MRI कर दिया, राइट? फिर वो इससे घुमाव चला के कि नहीं आपको तो 3 दिन भर्ती करेंगे, फिर हम लैप्रोस्कोपी करेंगे, फिर ये करेंगे वो करेंगे, राइट? सो
ऐसा कहते हैं ना आजकल, तो कहावत है कि once you go to a doctor you come out a patient.
Exactly my point, right? So a good doctor is one who knows when to stop, or a good doctor is one who knows when not to intervene. Like every
But
patient.
what to do about the people who are doing it, not even doctors, the
हाँ.
clients? अभी मैंने ये पढ़ा न्यूज़ में, I don't know, it's not corroborated, I don't know how true it is, but ग्लूटाथायोन के इंजेक्शंस बल्क में आपको इंडिया मार्ट और अमेजोन जैसे साइट्स पे मिलते हैं. उनकी क्रेडिबिलिटी क्या है, उनकी सर्टिफिकेशन क्या है, ऑथेंटिसिटी क्या है, वो नहीं पता, लेकिन क्योंकि वो सस्ते मिल रहे हैं बल्क में, तो आप अपनी ज़िंदगी दाव पे लगा दो.
Definitely.
Basically, what is happening in your body, whether you take the injection to a doctor, get it administered, or you do it
So
yourself, where
again,
is the
if
safety?
no, so again, it खुद तो वैसे भी कर नहीं सकते, right? अगर
I believe करते हैं लोग, हाँ,
खुद कैसे करोगे?
ऐसे.
Like that's abuse. So see, when you talk about abuse, now whether you're infusing glutathione or whether you're infusing heroin,
It's the same thing,
abuse is
and then-
abuse, right? Now the other thing that you said कि हम किसी के पास लेके चले जाएंगे और वो दे देगा, right? It means वो गधा है.
Okay. Ideally, he should not.
He or she
right?
shouldn't. I
Yeah.
mean, I'm not a shopkeeper. कि अरे आओ अरे what nonsense. do you get what I mean? So you see the के
Like, what if you get like a nurse or somebody कि आ जाओ मैं 1,000 रुपए दे दूंगी,
again,
लगा
so
दो.
कहीं से तो lapse हुआ ना. See, a patient is infusing it themselves, they are idiots, right? You'll land up with, you can die. Anything, not with anything, whether आप इंट्रावीनस आयरन भी ले रहे हो ना, इंट्रावीनस एंटीबायोटिक भी ले रहे हो, वो हमेशा हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट करके या डे केयर सेटिंग में हम आईवी कुछ भी देते हैं.
कुछ भी, yeah, correct.
कुछ भी, वेदर आप कुछ भी दो, बिकॉज द मिनट यू हैव रीच इंट्रावीनसली यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग सर्कुलेटरी कोलैप्स. वी आर ऑलवेज एक्सपेक्टिंग. तो इसके लिए वो लेटा के हॉस्पिटल सेटिंग में दिया जाता है. ओके, अगर कोई आपने बोला, मैंने चल नर्स को आपने जैसे बोला भाई 1,000 रुपये दे दूंगी, घर आके कर दो, दैट्स अ फेलियर. कि किसका डॉक्टर का ऑर्डर था वो देने को, हु हैज़ प्रिस्क्राइब दिस, राइट? So if no doctor has prescribed it, then why is a nurse randomly giving it? So there is some failure, some breach somewhere. Number one. Number two, like you said, मैं बल्क में लेके आई, God knows what all is in
Correct.
it, right? क्या है कुछ भी माओ, और कोई भाई मुझे लगा के दे दो. Again, somebody has messed up, right? So it's a systemic failure. Like it's not just something which happens like that. We are not. Nobody can convince me to give some. If I don't want to give somebody, I will not give them. It's as simple as that. If they don't need it, I won't give them. So that's what I'm trying to tell you. The ethics of the medical practitioner really come into the picture.
Also, if you can tell the audience the ill effects of self-medicating.
Yeah.
I mean, how desperate can somebody be to look good कि अपनी health की चिंता नहीं की आपने और बस aesthetics की चिंता की. उसके लिए कुछ भी कर दोगे मतलब आप.
Yes, people do that, right? So
Please also, like, since you're a doctor, आपकी बात ज़्यादा सुनेंगे. What is the importance of a good diet and a good lifestyle
so when
before these things?
the word itself, जब self medicate कर रहे हो, you've lost the plot there.
Yeah.
बात उधर ही, like नहीं, it's nothing is more valuable than your health. ये एक चीज़ है, right? Yes, your confidence matters. Yes, balding is real, male pattern hair loss is real, and the psychological burden of that we understand very well. But इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि आप खुद कुछ भी अपने सर में इंजेक्ट कर रहे हो, घर पे लोग क्या क्या कर रहे हैं, ये नीडलिंग वो नीडलिंग, right?
No, absolutely, हाँ.
So no, nothing is worth your health, right? You know you are doing a shortcut. You know you are trying to bypass the system by not going to somebody who's trained in that field, figuring out things on your own. Please figure out. रिसर्च करो, बेशक करो, हमारे पास आओ, spend half an hour with me. पूरा आपने जो रिसर्च किया, I will discuss with you. But please don't try and take matters into your own hands. There's a reason हम 14 साल पढ़ के इधर बैठे हैं.
Correct.
There's a reason. अगर मुझे भी चैट जीपीटी ही यूज़ करना था तो मैं भी कर लिया होता, right? So don't do anything which will compromise with your own health. Unfortunately, इंडिया में बहुत सी चीज़ें ओवर द काउंटर मिल जाती हैं, इवन विच आर प्रिस्क्रिप्शन लेवल ड्रग्स, राइट? ओवर द काउंटर मिल जाती हैं. लोकल केमिस्ट है, केमिस्ट वाले भैया दे दो, ये घर में, सो वो तो मिल जाता है. इंडिया में अनफॉर्चुनेटली दैट थिंग इज देयर, सो पीपल आर आल्सो अब्यूजिंग इट. बट इन अदर कंट्रीज, दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, सिस्टम में फेलियर बहुत जगह हो रहा है. बट इन अदर कंट्रीज आप एक एंटीबायोटिक विदाउट अ प्रिस्क्रिप्शन नहीं ले सकते, एंड विच इज़ सो नाइस, इट इज़ सो रेगुलेटेड. इंडिया में क्या है, सर्दी खांसी, जस्ट गले में थोड़ा सा दर्द, अरे एजिथ्रोमाइसिन स्टार्ट, व्हाट नॉनसेंस. it's an antibiotic, right? The treatment for fever is not an antibiotic. It's a paracetamol. But that's what I'm trying to tell you. That's what India mein we are abusing. There's a lot of failure everywhere, but please do not take matters into your own hands.
Let's also talk a little bit about the steroid usage in gyms happening
Yes,
nowadays.
so much. So many of my patients
What
are
are
on
the
it.
different kinds of steroids people are taking today?
So, okay, when we say the word steroids,
हाँ.
there are 100 different types of steroids, okay? एक जो जिम वाले एक होते हैं जो हम एज डॉक्टर्स जो प्रिस्क्राइब करते हैं, दे आर यूजुअली दे आर नोन एज ग्लूकोकॉर्टिकॉइड्स, ओके, जिसमें आपका प्रेडनिसोलोन, मिथाइल प्रेडनिसोलोन, वी यूज देम ऑल फॉर एंटी इन्फ्लेमेटरी, ओके, बिकॉज दे डिक्रीज इन्फ्लेमेशन. सो दिस इज़ वन टाइप ऑफ स्टेरॉइड्स. देन यू हैव अनदर टाइप ऑफ स्टेरॉइड्स जो जिम में जिसकी बात होती है, दे आर एनाबॉलिक स्टेरॉइड्स विच आर मोस्टली मेल हॉर्मोन्स.
अच्छा.
वाई आई वॉन्ट टू मेक दिस डिफ्रेंसिएशन इज बिकॉज पेशेंट्स के मन में एक डर है कि स्टेरॉइड्स मतलब गलत है.
हाँ.
स्टेरॉइड्स मतलब नहीं डॉक्टर स्टेरॉइड्स मत देना, स्टेरॉइड्स मत देना.
स्टेरॉइड से बाल उड़ जाएंगे.
नहीं जस्ट जनरली वे डॉक्टर इज दिस
is
क्रीम,
what I
ये
think.
क्रीम में स्टेरॉइड है, अरे ये टैबलेट में स्टेरॉइड है, लाइक पेशेंट नहीं बाबा अगर है भी तो लाइक एंड वी टेल देम दैट तुम्हारे मन में एक यू नो भय फियर है. हाँ ओ वाओ मन में एक फियर आ गया है, लाइक देयर इज एन इररेशनल फियर ऑफ अ स्टेरॉइड. टू मोस्ट डॉक्टर्स स्टेरॉइड्स आर योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स व्हेन यू नो हाउ टू यूज देम प्रॉपर्ली. मैं आग से खाना भी पका सकता हूँ और वही आग से गैस लीक होकर पूरा मेरा घर भी फट सकता है.
राइट.
बट इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि आग
खराब है.
अग्नि थोड़ी खराब होती है.
डॉक्टर अग्नि बोस. ओके.
So fire is not the problem, right? So again, steroids are beautiful when you know how to use them properly. But हाँ misuse जो करते हैं जिम में, that is your testosterone, that is your anabolic steroid.
So are you saying कि ये anabolic steroids को भी आप ठीक से यूज कर सकते हो?
Exactly. So I'll tell you उसके भी reasons होते हैं, okay? So misuse means कुछ proper use भी है किसी चीज़ का, तभी तो वो drug है. So in your anabolic steroids you have say testosterone, you have stanzolol, you have methendione, like you have lot of these different types of, you know, it'll be too technical, but there are a lot of these different types of anabolic steroids. हम लोग किस population में therapeutically use करते हैं? Somebody who has wasting appetite, एकदम जैसे old age, एकदम appetite एकदम suppress हो गया, पूरा body wasting हो रहा है.
Okay.
So to sometimes, you know, stimulate appetite, stimulate, you know, in a lot of cancer patients. Okay, anabolic, you need anabolism because एकदम catabolic state में चला गया.
Okay.
Right, in a lot of men sometimes who have low testosterone levels, so उनको low level testosterone therapy दी जाती है. So there are proper uses of it, but लोग जब misuse करते हैं कि it's like using Ozempic, misusing Ozempic.
What is Ozempic?
I'll tell you.
I've heard so much about it.
So we'll come to that.
Yeah.
But so steroids लोग जो misuse करते हैं जिम में, they're doing it to again एक बॉडी बनाने के लिए एक प्रॉपर डिसिप्लिन होता है, साल लग जाते हैं.
करेक्ट.
बट व्हेन यू वांट टू सी दैट सेम इफेक्ट इन वीक्स इन मंथ्स, कि रैपिड फैट लॉस, रैपिड हाइपरट्रोफी ऑफ द मसल्स, सडन मस्कुलर गेन, राइट? सो दैट्स व्हेन पीपल स्टार्ट अब्यूजिंग दीज मेल हार्मोन स्टेरॉइड्स.
सो यू आर सेइंग कि ये एनाबॉलिक स्टेरॉइड जो लोग जिम में यूज करते हैं वो एक्चुअली उस पर्पस के लिए नहीं बने हैं.
That is one of the extra effects of it. Like, it just so happens that they end up boosting your muscles, right? And you know, they're decreasing the fat percentage, but you're misusing it for that. We never intended to give it for that, right? We intended to give it to somebody who had wasting, who had cachexia, right? Somebody whose appetite is ekdam gone.
Also, ये steroids जब लोग लेते हैं तो उसके cycles करते हैं.
Yeah, so when people do that, no doctor is prescribing that to them. Gym trainers are prescribing, right? Because when I'm taking my medical history for my patients, and I ask them कि अच्छा क्या क्या चल रहा है, फिर सडनली आता है कि हाँ मैं ये भी ले रहा हूँ. I don't want to take brand names, which is why I don't want to say that word. So मैं ये भी ले रहा हूँ. मतलब किसने दिया? वो मेरा ट्रेनर देता है. देन मैं अभी मुंजारो भी ले रहा हूँ. मैंने किसने दिया? वो मेरा ट्रेनर. I'm like ट्रेनर, लाइक क्या चल रहा है? What is happening? So people are just, you know, so those were their diabetic medication.
Oh.
Okay, so the chemical name is semaglutide. So there is semaglutide, liraglutide, tirzepatide. I'm just trying to not take brand names. Ozempic, Wegovy, वगैरह, Rybelsus and all of that. Mounjaro, right? So people, they are diabetic drugs and we've used them for the longest time. And a proper endocrinologist आपका case to case देख के they'll see whether you need it, whether you don't need it.
How much do you need it?
Right? Yes, they did cause weight loss. That was the side effect, which now people are obsessed with. So then that has people are in a way using it for that. So again, when you start taking matters into your own hands, when you go on this grey market and because procure all your bulk में semaglutide, liraglutide, ये सब bulk में लेके आओ किसी को then you've screwed yourself, right? If a proper endocrinologist has seen you, they've assessed you, they've seen your blood sugar, they've seen your insulin, they've seen the level of insulin resistance that you have, they've seen your lipid profile, सोच समझ के they'll give you a particular dose. So misusing anything for that fact of matter is wrong.
तो इसका क्या साइड इफेक्ट्स होते हैं जो जिम में स्टेरॉइड जैसे
So okay, इसमें ना I would like you to show a photo in this part. Go on Google, okay, just type bodybuilder. Okay, or type power lifter or bodybuilder or anything like that. Now I can paint that mental image in your mind.
Yeah.
Okay, you'll see a very beefy man.
It's already there, yeah.
It's already there,
Yeah.
right? With bronzer all over. ठीक है, so
Yeah.
एकदम बल्कि सा
Yeah.
आदमी होगा, लंबा सा होगा mostly. अगर लंबा भी नहीं होगा तो चौड़ा तो होगा,
हाँ.
टकला होगा, ठीक है. They're all bald. Okay. Then it'll be disproportionately
Yeah,
big.
yeah.
But what I wanted to tell you is, if you ever look at their crotch,
ओके
they'll have the smallest penis.
ओह
Right?
And that's a side effect.
That is a side effect. So because when we give testosterone anabolic steroids, आपके टेस्टिस का काम है टेस्टोस्टेरोन बनाना. अभी आप बाहर से दे रहे हो तो बॉडी को तो लगता है चलो ठीक है बाहर से मिल रहा है, हम क्यों काम करें. सो द बॉडी का खुद का टेस्टिस बनाना बंद कर देता है. सो इफ़ यू सी दे लैंड अप विथ अ लॉट ऑफ इम्पोर्टेंस, they land up
Okay.
with testicular atrophy. The balls literally shrink.
ओके
Right, because they are having a gala time. उनको तो बाहर से मिल रहा है,
हाँ,
वो क्यों
correct
बनाएंगे,
है.
right? They land up with infertility, okay? They land up with baldness, okay? They land up with bad acne, right? They land up with liver damage because your liver enzymes go through the roof. They land up with good cholesterol reducing, bad cholesterol rising. They land up with the blood becoming very thick. These are all the effects of testosterone. They land up with the blood becoming very thick,
सो हार्ट ट्रबल
clotting, right?
ओके
Visual disturbance of the blood, okay? Then
आवाज भी उनकी ऐसी चेंज हो
exactly,
जाती है
right?
राइट
Then of course muscles तो बढ़ गए, but at what all cost? And infertility, right? Infertility is there.
आई हैव आल्सो सीन अ लॉट ऑफ क्रैम्पिंग इन पीपल
Exactly. And also what happens is now the muscle has become very big suddenly, all of a sudden, but your tendon is जो मसल को बोन से जोड़ के
हाँ,
रखता
हाँ,
है,
हाँ.
वो उस स्पेस पे नहीं बढ़ा और आप सडनली 50-50 60-60 kg, so then tendon ruptures because now you're lifting much heavier very fast, but your other body parts have not adapted to it. It's like that's how stretch marks also happen कि
अच्छा
सडनली मसल बढ़ गया बट आपकी स्किन को सफिशिएंट टाइम नहीं मिला बड़ा होने के लिए, तो स्किन फट जाती है. दैट्स हाउ वी गेट स्ट्रेच मार्क्स. प्रेगनेंसी में सडनली द एब्डोमेन इंक्रीजेस, राइट? अगर कोई धीरे धीरे मोटा हो रहा है स्ट्रेच मार्क्स नहीं आएंगे, बट प्रेगनेंसी में विद इन 9 months फटाक से इतना इट्स टू फास्ट. दैट्स व्हाई स्ट्रेच मार्क्स आर सो कॉमन.
ओह
So other body parts also have to react at the same
That's
space.
interesting.
That's very interesting. Yeah.
That's interesting. And can you like just see somebody in the gym and tell कि हाँ भाई ये steroids ले रहा है?
It's kind of obvious.
हाँ,
right?
and I follow a lot of these fitness creators, women who
Yeah.
have amazing abs
So
and
in
good
women,
biceps. हाँ.
what are the side effects, right? When you start giving testosterone is a male hormone, okay? My body has female hormones, your body also has male hormones. But मुझ में female hormone level बहुत कम है, male hormone level बहुत ज़्यादा है.
हाँ.
And आप में female hormone level बहुत ज़्यादा है, male hormone बहुत कम है. That's normal physiology, right? Now in women, when you start giving them testosterone and anabolic male hormone steroids to them, we call it virilization. That's the medical word again. They start getting manly features, hoarseness of the voice, coarsening of the voice, thick hair, hirsutism, right?
Okay.
Thinning of the hair, baldness, body hair excess होने लग जाता है, muscles बहुत ज़्यादा hypertrophy हो जाती हैं. They also then start getting the clitoromegaly. Basically, the clitoris will start looking like a penis. Yeah.
Oh
So
my God.
the clitoris and the penis are the same thing. They do the same
Right,
function. So
right.
it'll start becoming very big.
What
Right.
are you saying?
Yeah,
I
yes.
mean, what is this whole desperation to look a certain way, even from women and men both? I mean, it's
So
a huge
why
cost.
abhi exactly right now? If you do you follow swimming? Do you know Michael Phelps?
Yeah.
So Michael Phelps was the world's most decorated Olympian. Okay, he has won I don't know like 7 Olympic gold medals in one Olympics.
अच्छा.
बीजिंग में वो 7 या 8 गोल्ड मेडल जीत के बैठा था. That year, when he released his diet, he used to consume 10,000 calories in a day.
Okay.
Okay, but if you look at his figure, fat नहीं मिलेगा आपको.
Okay.
Because that man was also in the swimming pool for 8 hours. He was
Right.
exercising for that
Right.
long, right?
Yeah.
People want Michael Phelps या
जैसी
वैसा
body.
जायका वैसा फिगर चाहिए, but वैसा काम नहीं करना.
हाँ,
So
correct.
people are trying to, because it is aspirational. It is most definitely aspirational. He's at the pinnacle of physical fitness and human health. So you want that, or when you see, some actors on with 6-pack, 8-pack, right? Abruptly आ गए, within a span of couple of months आ गए, साल लग जाते हैं, like, it's, so something has gone wrong.
Right.
Some cheat code you've done. So people no one wants to enjoy the journey. They want the destination. And that's why they start doing all that. One more thing I didn't tell you, when we talk about steroids, we get roid rage.
हाँ, what is roid rage? I've heard
Steroid
that.
rage. So
Ah.
male hormones ना हम लोग males का थोड़ा issue रहता है. So they cause a lot of anger,
Okay.
irritability, mood swings, temper, violence. So whenever you're taking these cycles, you uttered the word cycles, right? So people take ऐसे 8 से 12, 8 to 12 weeks they'll take,
अच्छा.
right? And then they'll feel कि हम कुछ हफ्ते नहीं लेंगे so that body को break मिल जाएगा. Okay, when they're taking these steroid cycles, they're also taking it with, because now one of the side effects I forgot to tell you, gynecomastia, which means males getting breasts, right? Because now all the testosterone which is there, that eventually gets converted into estrogen. So with all those steroids, they're also taking estrogen blockers, so tamoxifen, anastrozole, letrozole, and tamoxifen and all these drugs we also give after
Breast cancer.
so to prevent वो तो कुछ भी चल रहा है. आप एक तो मेल हार्मोन ऐसा पूरा एनाबोलिक मेल हार्मोन दे रहे हो, फिर सम ऑफ द साइड इफेक्ट्स प्रिवेंट करने के लिए टाइमॉक्सिफिन, एनेस्ट्रोजोल, लेट्रोजोल ये सब दे रहे हो, एंड यू फील कि हम 8 से 12 हफ्ता देंगे, फिर नहीं देंगे तो बॉडी
सब ठीक हो जाएगा.
बुलशिट ऐसे थोड़ी. So, there's a reason why IVF centers are booming. I'm just telling you.
Right. No, you're absolutely right. There
As
is
a
a reason why
as a
these things are on the
generation,
rise.
we are already at a negative replacement rate. You know that, right?
Explain it.
So we're going to land up like Japan. So Japan में बूढ़े लोग बहुत है, but young लोग बहुत कम है. So population wipe out हो जाएगी, like support करने के लिए नहीं है. So if less and less people are having children, like earlier people were say having 6-7 children, whatever, then people started having 2 children, 1 child. Nowadays is almost 0 child. Right? So the population, we are already at a negative replacement rate. So for the population to replace itself, the fertility has to be 2.1. मतलब each couple should have 2.1 babies. तो जाके population replace होगी. हम लोग I think 1.9 में बैठे हैं. So anyway, just besides the point. But when you...
But these are the things which are causing it, right?
That's not everybody who has infertility is not taking steroids. But I'm just saying that this is all, it causes infertility. It causes a lot of problems. So then people are not just taking steroids, huh? Like you said कि लोग steroids लेते हैं, लोग growth hormone भी ले रहे हैं.
हाँ, growth hormone क्या होता है?
ग्रोथ हार्मोन नेचुरली हमारा पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड प्रोड्यूस करता है, हमें ग्रोथ कॉज करता है, राइट?
ऐसा मैंने सुना है कि बड़ा सेफ होता है ग्रोथ हार्मोन. तो ये तो नेचुरल होता है, बॉडी प्रोड्यूस करती है.
टेस्टोस्टेरोन भी तो बॉडी प्रोड्यूस कर रही है.
हाँ, वो भी सेफ होता है.
टेस्टोस्टेरोन, बट ग्रोथ हार्मोन जब नॉर्मल ह्यूमन अडल्ट में, जब ग्रोइंग चाइल्ड में ग्रोथ हार्मोन बढ़ता है तो ग्रोइंग चाइल्ड मतलब टीनेजर का हाइट बढ़ जाता है. अडल्ट में जब ग्रोथ हार्मोन बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ने लग जाता है, सो यू गेट समथिंग कॉल्ड एक्रोमेगाली, बेसिकली व्हाट द ग्रेट खली हैज़. ओके, सो बेसिकली अभी उनका बोन्स तो फ्यूज़ हो गया, अभी मेरा बोन और बढ़ नहीं सकता, राइट? मेरा हाइट और बढ़ नहीं सकता. But if I'm abusing growth hormone, or if my body is producing a lot of growth hormone, if you look at, I'm taking his name because वो medical textbooks में भी हम पढ़ाते हैं, उसका jaw एकदम बहुत बढ़ गया है, right? Then you can even land up with carpal tunnel, because again my bones, some of the bones are trying to grow but there's no space.
Okay.
So acromegaly is the side effect, right? But growth hormone people say कि जो abuse करते हैं कि ये तो body produce करता है. हाँ, testosterone भी body produce करता है, right? इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि मैं सबको ठोकूंगा वो. Now again, what growth hormone will also do when you are abusing it, when you're not taking it properly, there we give it for specific indications. Again, अगर वो चीज़ मार्केट में है, मतलब किसी साइंटिस्ट ने बनाया है, कोई इंडिकेशन के लिए बनाया है, when you start misusing it, that's a problem. It's like nuclear energy is there for energy. I can use it to power an entire city, and I can still use it to wipe out an entire city, right? So, so same. So growth hormone people are abusing. Lot of things. Another thing that people abuse is erythropoietin. EPO. EPO का नाम सुना है?
नहीं.
Okay, so erythropoietin is naturally produced by the kidneys. Okay, your body produces it जब उसको ऑक्सीजन नहीं मिलता.
Okay.
सो जब बॉडी को ऑक्सीजन नहीं मिलता, बॉडी एक हार्मोन बनाता है एरिथ्रोपोइटिन, ईपो, विच विल मेक योर बोन मैरो प्रोड्यूस मोर रेड ब्लड सेल्स.
Okay.
सो दैट अगर ऑक्सीजन कम है बट हम ज़्यादा अगर रेड ब्लड सेल्स बना देंगे तो हम कैरी कर लेंगे. सो सपोज यू गो टू लद्दाख, ओके, यू स्टे देयर फॉर अ मंथ.
अच्छा.
You are born and brought up at a sea level.
Yeah.
You go to Ladakh, your body will naturally produce more erythropoietin.
Okay.
So that you can withstand the high altitude. Which is why जब athletes training भी करते हैं, they do high altitude training.
हाँ, correct.
या they do low oxygen, hypoxia में training, वो मास्क लगा के ऑक्सीजन लेवल लो करके ट्रेनिंग करते हैं.
Okay.
That is a very natural way of making
increasing
your
that.
body producing erythropoietin, right? Because ये लोग डोपिंग के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. Because now my body is carrying more oxygen than it is normally supposed to,
हाँ.
right? So मेरा body जब naturally produce करता है, it also knows when to stop.
Right.
But जब आप एक as a abuse करके injection के through
तो
erythropoietin
इससे फायदा क्या होता है? किस to which goal?
athletic ability.
Ah.
So as an athlete, if I want to
अच्छा.
increase my athletic performance, I would
Okay.
go to Himachal. I will
But
go
if
to
I don't
Ladakh.
want to go to Himachal and
मुझे
Ladakh,
हिमाचल
I'll just
लद्दाख नहीं
inject it
जाना,
here.
मैं यहाँ पे बैठ के ईपो लूँगा. एंड ये बैंड सब, दीज आर ऑल बैंड ड्रग्स, ये
Of
डोपिंग में आ
course.
जाता है. सो नाउ माई ब्लड इज़ वेरी थिक बिकॉज इट हैज़ मच. सो नॉर्मल RBC काउंट इज 3.5 to 5 million, okay, per 100 ml. अभी मेरा RBC काउंट अगर 10 million 15 million, अगर सोचो मेरा ब्लड कितना थिक हो गया है.
Yeah.
सो देन क्लॉट्स विल हैपन.
My God, this
Right.
sounds so dangerous.
सो अब्यूज़ करते हैं ना लोग. सो विच इज़ वॉट दिस इज़ ऑल टू एनहांस योर एथलेटिक
My
परफॉर्मेंस.
trainer was telling me, my gym trainer was telling me कि मैंने तो सब ट्राई किया हुआ है, मैं तो खुद इंजेक्शन भी ले सकता हूँ. एंड ही इज़ नाउ अ बिट ओल्डर बट ही सेड कि हमें करना पड़ता है बिकॉज हमारा प्रोफेशन है.
Bullshit.
कल को मेरे पास, दिस इज हिज, आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू द पर्सपेक्टिव दैट ही हैज़ कमिंग फ्रॉम द फिटनेस इंडस्ट्री एज अ प्रोफेशनल, कि कल को अगर मेरे पास कोई क्लाइंट आता है, बोलता है मुझे 3 महीने में ऐसी बॉडी चाहिए, मैं नहीं दूंगा तो कोई और देगा. ठीक है, मैं कैसे दूंगा? मैं उसे कैसे बताऊंगा क्या खाना है अगर मैंने खुद पे ट्राई नहीं किया? अगर मुझे पता ही नहीं कि इसके साइड इफेक्ट्स क्या हैं, इसको कितना लेना है, इससे क्या होता है, तो मैं उसको कैसे रेकमेंड करूंगा? सो आई एम जस्ट सेइंग द प्रेशर दैट ही इज़ फेसिंग एज अ फिटनेस ट्रेनर, एज अ कोच, is immense, and for that he is willing to risk his health just to try these things, knowing that they are not the best.
I can sympathize but I can't empathize. So
You're absolutely right. I mean, and the same I can tell you as an actor, the similar kind of pressure today actors and actresses are also feeling, because there is so much competition, and now not just on television and cinema but also social media. You know, your YouTube is also competition, Instagram is also competition. How can you compete with the people who are using all these things if you don't use it them yourself, unless you're like really wise and really above all these things? I'm saying that the pressure has increased so much that people are trying these things and they don't care about their health anymore. So many cases we are hearing today about 40-year-olds getting heart attacks,
Yeah.
people dying, and fitness industry में सबसे ज़्यादा सुनने को मिलता है.
या बिकॉज ये जो मुझे आपने बोला ना कि फिट जो उस पर प्रेशर है कि अगर मैं नहीं दूंगा कोई और दे देगा,
हाँ.
राइट? दैट इज़ वेयर एथिक्स कम इन टू प्ले, एंड दैट्स वेयर आई एम सेइंग, एंड आई कीप रिटरेटिंग दिस फैक्ट दैट एज अ डॉक्टर हम पे भी इन अ वे,
Absolutely,
बिकॉज इट्स
you're
लाइक
right.
इफेक्टिवली देन इन अ वे लाइक कम टू थिंक ऑफ इट, आई वुड लूज आउट ऑन अ पेशेंट.
Yeah.
I'm okay
आप
with
नहीं दोगे कोई और दे देगा.
I'm okay with it. We are very okay losing out on a patient, but we are not going to compromise on his or her health. That is a strict no-no. So there are a lot of these unscientific cocktails and all which are, you know, given left, right, center. There is not much study over it. बहुत कुछ unscientifically बहुत जगह होता है. We took
अपने ऊपर ही लोग सब ट्राई कर लेते हैं.
we took a conscious call not to do it. So we're not jeopardizing somebody's safety. So I'm very comfortable losing out on a patient
Yeah.
if I'm not able to give them something that they don't want, if I feel it is unrealistic or if I feel it is unsafe. But that's me putting a very lot of heavy, high standards and moral, ethical high ground on myself. It sometimes is unfair to expect everybody to have that same level of ethics.
Yeah, people
get what I mean?
succumb under pressure all the time.
Yeah, so which is why I can sympathize, I just can't empathize, because I'm like, bullshit. व्हाट नॉन, मैं नहीं दूंगा तो ठीक है भाई, मत दे, खेल मत किसी के जान के साथ, बिकॉज अभी कल को वो कार्डियक अरेस्ट होगा तो तूने ही कॉज किया है.
हाँ करेक्ट है यार, कहीं ना कहीं तो
बिकॉज
वही
इफ
वही
यू
हो
हैव
गया.
क्लॉटेड हिज ब्लड, हिज और हर ब्लड सो मच, इतना तुमने कर दिया, वो उसके कल को बच्चे नहीं हो रहे बिकॉज यू मेड दैट ब्लडी मैन इनफर्टाइल.
Because you made that man big muscular.
बस हाँ, बट सब छोटा कर दिया तो
हाँ,
अभी कैसे
अभी
हो.
कैसे होगा. Correct.
सो अगेन यू डू नॉट, सो मेडिसिन में द फर्स्ट डिक्टम इज डू नो हार्म. अगर आप क्योर नहीं कर सकते दैट्स ओके, बट हार्म मत करो. हर एक कंडीशन का क्योर तो नहीं, आई एम नॉट गॉड,
Yeah.
राइट, आई कैन नॉट क्योर
Yeah, but
एवरीथिंग.
don't make it worse for some.
Don't make it worse. If you, just that's the first thing. But don't make it worse.
तो अभी ये भी बता दो कि कोई हेल्दी तरीका भी होता है अच्छी बॉडी बनाने का और अच्छे
Exactly.
लगने का.
Okay, so when you look at any of the Olympians,
Yeah.
right? Because they are constantly tested for doping substances and banned substances, so you know they're clean, right? When you look at any of these top athletes, there's a proper discipline, there's a proper regimen, right? They eat properly, they sleep properly, they exercise like crazy, but nobody wants to do that.
Nobody wants to.
Nobody wants to do that.
Shortcuts, yeah, bro.
That's what I'm trying to tell you. जब शॉर्टकट में अगर सब कुछ करोगे then तो you've lost.
तो फिर लाइफ भी शॉर्टकट हो जाएगी ना.
Life with a short. You good one. So last time I remember you cracked such a bad joke, huh? That
I
remember?
did, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, there was.
It took me 4 business days to understand the joke. And when I this is a good one. This is a good one.
I'm getting better.
You're getting better. Yeah. I'm rubbing off on you.
Thank you, appreciate it.
You're most welcome. But yeah, so people know that they're doing shortcut.
Yeah, yeah.
People know that they're doing shortcut.
बट ये बताओ कि जो नॉर्मल, आई मीन ओलंपियंस तो नहीं है हम लोग सब.
Fair enough.
In
Everybody
normal
doesn't have to
life,
be an Olympic. Okay,
in a
what-
corporate job kind of a
Yes,
scenario
yes.
where you want to look good
Fair enough,
also,
fair
and you don't want to. I mean, ideally should
Healthy.
not be using these kind of
you don't
supplements
want to-
and
fair
everything.
enough.
तो क्या करना चाहिए? तो
बराबर.
हाँ.
What your parents have been telling you since the longest time. Okay. So weight loss or getting physically fit, it's not rocket science.
Yeah.
Okay. It's simple mathematics. If I'm earning 100 rupees every day, but I'm spending only 80 rupees every day, तो मेरा रोज़ 20 रुपए का बचत हो रहा है.
हाँ.
Right? If I'm eating 100 calories every day and expending only 80 calories, so I'm going to put on. That's a no-brainer, number one. Number two, the quality of what you're eating, right? So make sure that you get your macros properly. So 1 gram per kg of body weight of protein, if you have a sedentary lifestyle. Protein is not just for gym goers, it is
Yeah.
even for your dada dadi, nana nani, even for that chota newborn baby. Newborn baby को तो mother's milk से protein मिल जाता है, but protein is for everybody. It's not a gym
It's not a gym supplement.
जिम लग्जरी, राइट. 1 gram per kg of protein, बिकॉज प्रोटीन आपके सिर्फ मसल के लिए नहीं है, वो आपके लिवर के लिए है, आपके हार्ट के लिए है, आपकी किडनी के लिए है, आपकी स्किन के लिए है, आइज के लिए है, फॉर ईच एंड एवरी ऑर्गन ऑफ योर्स, राइट. सो दैट you get your micros, okay, which is all your vitamin A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T. How do you ensure you get all your vitamins? By eating the rainbow, which means you eat fruits and vegetables of as many different colors as you can. This way, without even realizing, without even applying your brain, आपको सारे vitamins, सारे minerals, सारे micronutrients मिल जाते हैं. So very, and this is what I tell all my patients कि suppose कभी आप घर में कैप्सिकम बना रहे हो, सिर्फ ग्रीन मत बनाओ, उसके साथ रेड एंड येलो भी बना लो. Automatically 3 colors you've ticked, right? These days you hear everybody, I eat avocados, I eat okay, that's great, good for you, but that's just green.
Yeah.
Get your other colors also. Get your blues, get your purple, get your pink, get your orange, get your yellow.
Yeah.
Right? So just eat the rainbow, right? Because supplement आप किस किस का लोगे? मैग्नीशियम का लोगे? मतलब there's no end ना.
Yeah.
मैग्नीशियम है, आयरन है, जिंक है, कॉपर है. You cannot be
और
popping 100.
eventually ये सब जो pills होती हैं, इनमें भी तो binders
No,
वगैरह
no,
जो
no,
भी
but
होते
you
हैं.
cannot be popping 150 pills a day.
A day, yeah.
There is a supplement for each and every nutrient. अभी 150 गोलियां थोड़ी खाओगे दिन में.
Correct.
Right? So which is why you can get it all through your diet. What you are unable to get through your diet because of your dietary restrictions, only for that thing you need a supplement.
Right.
Because with the omnivore human diet, you will get everything. And that's why I'm trying to use the word restrictions, because others are restrictions.
Correct.
I'm restricting, say, dairy. I'm restricting gluten. No, that's a restriction. So, agar for whatever, आपका कुछ रिलीजियस बिलीफ है या आपका कुछ मेडिकल प्रॉब्लम है या वट एवर इट इज़, जो है इट्स अ रिस्ट्रिक्शन जो आप नहीं अचीव कर पा रहे हो, उसी के लिए सप्लीमेंट ले लो, राइट. सो योर फूड, राइट, your sleep, 8 hours of sleep is non-negotiable. Okay, your body doesn't work on credit and debit card कि आज 6 घंटा सोए तो अभी 2 घंटे का अभी वो मेरा बैलेंस है तो कल 10 घंटा सो जाए. नहीं, ऐसे नहीं चलता.
Thank you for saying that.
It doesn't work like that. So your rest is imperative. And exercise is a mixture of both cardio as well as weight training, right? लोगों को एक मन में आता है कि नहीं कार्डियो करेंगे तो मसल्स श्रिंक हो जाएंगी. ऐसा लोग बहुत सोचते हैं कि वी आर ट्राइंग टू बल्क अप एंड
और ऐसा भी सोचते हैं कि वेट ट्रेनिंग करूंगा तो बहुत बल्किंग हो जाएगी,
बहुत बल्कि हो जाएंगे कि यू नो आई एम अ गर्ल, आई डोंट वांट टू बिकम एकदम ऐसा. नहीं होगा.
And I always say you've clearly not worked out enough to know it won't happen.
It won't happen like that. And whether you go to a dermatologist or a cardiologist or a neurologist or a gastroenterologist or an orthopedic surgeon, हम सारे डॉक्टर्स एक ही बोली बोलने वाले हैं. जो मैंने आपको जो एडवाइस दिया, because what is good for your skin is also good for your liver, is also good for your eyes, right? So all doctors invariably end up giving you the same advice. And it may sound boring, but वो जो boring advice है ना, वो जो जितना boring advice है ना, that is what actually works the most. So you know, when you're in college, sometimes people feel that wow, alcohol is a, yeah. But when you grow older, when you grow mature, when you grow wiser, you realize that water is the adult's drink, right? पानी है. So work on all of that.
Yeah.
There's no way that you won't get a healthy lifestyle. There's no way that you won't get a good physique, right? If you're not working out properly, if you're not using your body, optimizing your body to its actual potential, फिर तो होना ही है.
Yeah, correct. So thank you so much for this very, very insightful conversation. And I want to leave my audience with the thought कि भाई health is wealth. उसके साथ मत compromise करो. Or looking beautiful, looking young, looking aesthetic is one thing, but at the cost of your health. And having a good physique in the gym is great, but at the cost of your health. In the long run, I think it's not going to be beneficial for you or your loved ones. Think about the people who love you. Think about what is the, वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको, example that you're setting for your kids. Think about all these things before making these choices in life. And I hope you like this episode. Please put down your thoughts in the comments below on all these procedures which people are doing today and the pressure that is building on people around us, on everybody. And like this episode, share, subscribe. You're watching Candid Confessions with Chavi. This is both of us signing out. Love and peace from us to you.